guys, welcome to episode 2 of how to film your own art videos. And this video, we're going to be talking about lighting. Okay, first thing you need to know is that natural lighting is absolutely the best. So if you can see my studio, I actually have a window right there, but I only have one window. So sometimes that's a problem because it doesn't shed enough light. So what I have to do is just bring in additional lighting sources for you. As you can see, my tripod and camera are set up here in order to glean the most natural light that I can. But a lot of times there's shadows down on my paper and getting the shadows is bad. So what I do is I bring in additional light sources on either side to try to bust through those shadows. Oftentimes my overhead lighting is too much and that's also causing shadows. So again, what you need to do is simply improvise, bring in additional light sources generally on either side that will blast through and eliminate those shadows. You're going to look through your viewfinder, which is what we talked about in the first episode and how important that is. If you can see distracting shadows that are being cast by your hand and you're doing work and it's too distracting, you can see yourself and then you need to problem solve that as necessary. So what I've done, because I'm a cheapskate, is I've collected used lightings from garage sales. This is this giant piece, and I can add lighting, and you just keep adding things until you get the desired visual effect that you're going for. So I have some IKEA lights back here that I can turn on. I have this giant one that I can also adjust the arms of this, and it will swing my shadows around. You can buy table lamps to put here. Okay, guys, you do not need to invest in any crazy super studio lighting. You just need to play with it. Go to Goodwill, get some cheap lights, and experiment until you get the visual effect that you're looking for. This is not rocket science. You can totally figure this out. You just need to be a little creative, but you don't have to do it for a lot of money. Okay, remember, all your money that you're going to be spending needs to go to that camera, and everything else is figure-outable, and I'm here to help you to do that. Okay, I will join you in for episode 3 when we are going to talk about filming. Hey guys, I just wanted to bring you another hot tip about lighting, okay? I highly recommend if you feel comfortable of going on camera yourself occasionally to introduce something, I would recommend getting a Diva light ring. They're kind of pricey, but what's amazing about it is unlike this lighting, which doesn't look so hot, is it makes your lighting sort of perfect for wherever you are. And you can also double the usage as using it to help you light your artwork while you're filming. So let me just show you that really quickly. Oh, I can't turn everything around. So this is the light ring. Okay, and it makes a beautiful natural light. Where's the on button? And it also comes on its own tripod, which is amazing, so that you can position it wherever you need to. Okay, and you can put your camera, again, it's gonna live on your tripod, so this will not be an issue, behind it, and it gives you the perfect light for selfies. It's also on a bendable neck, so that you can put it right on my art table a lot of times, but you can also use it to cast a really great natural light onto your art project that you're working on and to help you eliminate those naughty shadows. So I'm gonna put a link to that in the description box as well, because it's honestly worth every single penny, and it's just a great investment. So